Hey, what up? So today I want to drop some Perspire to Aspire video.
No, don't do that.
Hey, what up? So today I want to share something I think might be useful to you, and I found like really useful as a photographer and just as a normal person. I called it Let the Shadows Be because you should literally let the shadows be. And here's how I mean. In photography, when you are taking pictures or you're taking pictures of people, when you point light to a particular direction, shadow will go the other direction. And shadows on the face of a subject is the way by which you know the direction the light is coming from. If there is no shadow, you most likely cannot tell where the light is coming from. Or most times there is always subtle shadow. Here's my point. Forget all the gibberish and all the jargon. Shadow points to where light is coming from. If there's light here, shadow will show on the other end. So most times as a photographer, as I've grown taking pictures, I've always had this very weird obsession with eliminating shadows, like zero shadows, because I want my pictures to be flawless, thinking that the absence of shadow equals flawlessness. But over time, I've taken other pictures too that has shadows and dramatic pictures that made impressions of people. And I later noticed that most of those pictures that made impressions of people were pictures that had proper shadows and their shadows embellished them. They had dramatic feels to them. And here's my point. If we see shadows as our flaws, I saw that like that. So yeah, my mind is weird. I saw shadows as like my flaws, and then I saw the light as the things that I'm good at, the things that I really shine at naturally. When I look at my flaws for too long, trying to just eliminate them, I might not really appreciate where my light is coming from. And here's how I mean. I become overly critical of myself and of my moves and the things that I'm not good at. And I tend to forget the things that I'm good at, the things that I shine at naturally. The presence of flaws actually means that there are things that you're actually good at, and there are some things that you're not good at. That's why they're called flaws. It means there's some things that you're actually good at. Do you get? So let the flaws go. And let them be pointers to the things you shine at. The things you shine at. Let them point us to your light. The things that you shine at. The things that people love you for. The vibe that people feel about you. And you focus on that. I do not in any way try to encourage people to like ignore their flaws and not grow or become better people. But how I mean is, don't draw identity from your flaws. Don't draw a personality out of your flaw. Focus on your light. There's a very good quote that I like that has actually like been my watchword for a while about shining as. It's from a movie, Coach Carter, that I saw very long ago.
Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing enlightened about shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. We were all meant to shine as children do. It's not just in some of us, it's in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others.
So here's what I'm trying to say again. When you focus enough on your light, you inspire other people to want to shine just like you do. And like I've noticed over time, most of the portraits that made the most impression on me, or the most dramatic portraits that I've had, are those that had shadows in them, are those that the lights and the shadows have found a balance and they've made a proper story and a proper picture. So I think that you should let your shadows be. Do not let them become the place where you draw your identity. Focus more on your light. Shine like you should. And as you do that, I believe the portrait of your life is going to be as dramatic as it should. Not like drama, like become a drama queen or a drama king. I'm saying that you get a spectacular life. A life that inspires others to become better people. A life that inspires others to become who they are meant to be, just because you are shining as you should. So I believe this really short video was useful, and this small tip this life lesson that I've taken out of photography. If you think this video was really useful, you can like, you can subscribe, you can share, you can do whatever you like with it. I remain your favorite visual storyteller, Tunji Nauru. You can follow me on IG at ZOEINCOSON. You can also follow me on Twitter at ZOEINC_. I'll see you some other time. Bye.